Okay, just got back from Africa. I really did. Tim here rocked out the gauntlet.
Almost.
Got it all emptied out, no animals in it. Semi-retiring some of these cages. We're completely retiring them from our retics. What we got now is we started a brand new breeding facility. He started wiring some of it.
It's gonna be cool.
It's gonna be really nice. You guys are gonna have to come down and check it out. Meanwhile, we're gonna keep pressing on here. We got a cool clutch here. We're expecting coral glow purples, golden childs, and some purple golden childs, and some lavender golden childs in this clutch. So, ooh, can't wait. And for all you guys out there that want videos of some snakes that are a little bit older, relax. We're finally going to take some time and take some videos of 2 or 3 morphs, like some little bit older ones. There's a snake. There's an egg that most people would throw away, but we didn't give up yet. So some of these are already slit, so we're going to go ahead and help the rest out. Make sure nobody's stuck in here. I was just telling Tim I want a two-headed one. I don't expect much.
I still want to see a 3-headed one.
I'm okay with the 2-headed one.
I guess, yeah, you gotta start somewhere.
So there's two purples. Ooh, nice lav golden. It's weird as it looks like a sun.
Is he okay?
Yeah. Totally
There
fine.
you go. Don't throw out your eggs.
Nope.
That's a good looking golden.
Yeah, it is.
Why does it look like a sun? It's not possible. Dang.
Purple gold.
There we go, right there. Woohoo! Got some nice snakes here. I don't know if you guys have seen them yet, but we're going to give you an updated video soon on a purple golden sun. They are absolutely the brightest snakes I've ever seen. Well, that's a nice snake. Nice purple golden. Got a lot of
purples.
What's that?
Getting some dark purples.
That's a dark.
Not as dark as this one.
Wow.
See, now this looks like a coral glow to me. This looks darker than all the rest. I don't know. They just seem to be a darker animal.
Golden.
Look how dark that is. That's a really dark one. There's a nice golden. Nope, not a golden.
Yeah, I was going to say, some of them have some pretty weird patterns in this clutch.
Nice. That's a beautiful one there. Nice golden spot.
Probably by the time we're all done, we're going to find out that he ran his lavender golden tiger through here. And
Never.
never. I know there isn't none because there's no tiger. Oh, that's nice. Now this was out of a real dark
pattern.
A real dark lavender, but guess what, guys? That's nice. But at the end of the day, guess what? She was still lavender, because that's why there's lavenders in here. Even though, so when they're either purples or they're not, because purple means that they're missing the white, the amel side of it, and they're pure purple. So you can't get a hat this both ways. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That's a screamer. Oh yeah. There's another nice golden.
These guys have weird patterns. They almost look like our albino golden child het genetic stripe clutch we hatched. Like, look at that thing on top. Look at the pattern on it.
Well, that don't look like that to me.
Those look
I guess
cool,
a little bit.
Well, you were saying like that one looked like a sunfire. You know how those het genetic stripes
look
are
right
bright.
there. It's nice, but,
Yeah,
they're
look at
not,
all
but
that.
it's not looped.
No, not. I mean, they don't look exactly like them, but they got a lot of heavy pattern on them and bright oranges.
Yeah, not all of them. There's, like I said, there seems to be two kinds of purples. And see, there's another really nice one. And that's just a regular. Look how nice a purple that is.
That's what I'm saying. The purple on these things is like 5 and 6 scales wide on some of them.
You know,
when they grow up, there's gonna be just purple all over the snake.
Yeah, and the weird part about it is the female is a super dark lavender. So maybe I don't know, maybe that's because the purple side of her is so dark that it covered up a lot of the a lot of the white. Yeah, that's pretty nice.
I think it's got like stripes going down the back. Sure that's not a tiger, Tim?
No tigers. There's no normal tigers, albino, so
yeah.
I agree that. Look at that. I mean, they ain't nice, guys. Oh, Tim's got the last egg.
Nice clutch.
Greedy sucker.
Oh, nice. Nice purple golden.
Let's see
Look at this. Check this tail. Check this pattern out.
Oh, look at that.
Look at the purple. Look at the purple spots down the middle of the back. See the dots right in the middle of each circle? That's a good looking
Weird.
snake.
Really weird.
Nice. Look at that. That's cool. We're gonna have to definitely take some photos of that when they're out. For all you people that are looking for updated photos, go to my Facebook at J Brewer at Facebook or however the heck you find it. Anyway, good luck with that. And Tim too, he has a ton of Prehistoric Pets Facebook also. I'm sorry I don't do enough updated videos, but it takes time to do the videos and we want to get them up. But we are going to work on some updated videos of older snakes and middle-aged snakes and babies out of the eggs.
You guys are always welcome to come down and make a video and put it up.
Yeah, you can come down and take your own video. No, that wasn't meant to be that way, but this. But anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying things, and we're pretty excited about the addition.
Yeah, it's looking good. I'm excited.
Yeah, it's
Snakes
kind
are
of
excited.
Yeah, it's gonna. We have a long ways to go, and we got to come up with more money, but that's okay. That's just part of the game. Doing what you love sometimes isn't always the most financially rewarding part. But ooh, it's sure fun.
You sell those guys.
We'll help. This will help us get there.
Yeah, somebody will want
So, anyway, take care, guys.
them. Take care.